Have you ever stopped and thought, maybe I've been handling my money completely wrong my whole life? You scroll TikTok or Instagram, people your age are buying homes, traveling, upgrading cars, and you're still deciding whether to fill up your tank or buy groceries this week. And if you think you're the only one struggling, trust me, you're not even close. A recent US survey shows 69% of Americans earning under $50,000 live paycheck to paycheck. Even crazier, 58% of people earning $75,000 to $120,000 are in the same boat. And the jaw dropper, almost 30% of people making $200,000 plus are still broke. Yes, $200,000 a year, and their savings? Zero. Meanwhile, student loans won't stop. Credit card minimums keep growing. DoorDash charges more than your actual meal. Average new car payments in the US now hit $750 per month. I'm away from ClariWealthHub, and I spend way too much time studying financial mistakes, probably more than anyone should. If you want to actually know how much you should be saving and why earning more money doesn't automatically make you rich, stick around. People still say, just save 10% or just save 20%. Sure, that advice worked in 1980 when rent was $400 a month. Interest rates were, quote, high, but life was cheaper. College didn't cost $50K a year. Starbucks wasn't a thing. Today, median US rent, $1,950 plus. Credit card APR, 21% average. BNPL apps like Affirm or Klarna spend your future income. Inflation shredded the value of your paycheck. Nothing adds up anymore. The average American saves only 3 to 6% of their income. Top 1% save 35 to 40%. Top 10% save 15 to 18%. Bottom 90%, 0 to 5%. Wealth isn't about income, it's about behavior. Most Americans, 15 to 20% savings is ideal. High earners, 25 to 30% is realistic. Sounds impossible? Let's break it down with real US numbers. Let's say you make $55,000 per year. Gross, $4,580 per month. Take home, $3,450 per month. Fixed expenses. Rent, $1,700. Car payment, $550. Utilities, $225. Gas, $160. Total equals $2,635. Variable expenses. Groceries, $420. Coffee, $55. Entertainment, $95. Eating out or DoorDash, $520. Total is $1,090. Total spending is $3,725. Overspending is $275 per month. Most people cover that with credit cards. Savings is 0. Stress is 100. No need to starve yourself. Just adjust 2 big categories. Eating out or DoorDash, $520 to $300. That's a savings of $220. Car payment, refinance or downsize, $550 to $350. That's a savings of $200. Total new savings, $420 a month, which is $5,040 a year. 2 small changes, huge impact. Average American spends $200 to $260 on unused subscriptions. Netflix, Disney+, Spotify, iCloud, meal kits, fitness apps. Cancel anything unused in 30 days, save $60 to $100 a month. If you reduce your rent by just $150 per month, save $1,800 a year, $18,000 in 10 years, $40,000 plus with compounding. One less bedroom today equals $40,000 tomorrow. Lifestyle inflation destroys more wealth than bad investments. Income increase, spending increases automatically. Wealthy people do the opposite, invest extra money. $100 today can become $1,000 in 30 years. No secret hacks, just boring, consistent investing. Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTI. International Stock Fund, VXUS. Bond Fund, BND. 3 simple funds. Decades of patience, that's it. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Boring? Yes. Life-saving? Absolutely. Saving 10 to 15%, you're ahead of most Americans. Saving 20 to 30%, you're building real wealth. Start small. Automate everything. Let time multiply your money. Your future self will either thank you or wish you started today.